Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. Today we're looking at the new Beretta APX Compact. Beretta released the APX a couple years ago, and like most gun companies, they wait a year and a half to 2 years later and then release the compact version, and that's what we have here. It's a shortened full-size APX, which is good. I reviewed the full-size APX and I did enjoy it. And here we have a 3.7-inch barrel and a shorter grip with 2 magazines that hold 13 rounds. Not a bad setup. When I reviewed the full-size APX, I was very much impressed with the trigger. You can see it does have a trigger bar safety in there. It pulls really nice, and then the reset is short right there for the follow-up shots. I look forward to doing some live shooting and comparisons with this gun because I think it's a quality made gun. Now, it's known for the full-length slide serrations. They're really not serrations, they're just bumps in the slide, but it doesn't bother me at all. You know, you can grab the gun, you can charge the gun however you want to charge the gun, get a good grip on the slide, and I'm yet to see another gun company model that. I think it was a bold move by Beretta to come out with this gun like that. I think it's kind of cool. The grip is rather heavily textured. You can feel that stipple in there, and they did remove the finger grooves. They do have a Picatinny rail there for the accessories, 3 dot sights, and that front sight is pretty wide. You know, you can really see it through the rear sights. One of the things that's interesting about this gun is that the firing pin block raises right there as you pull the trigger. So it raises the firing pin, and then the striker does what it has to do to make that round go off. But a little different. You don't see that too often. It does have ambi slide stops on each side of the gun, and the mag release is reversible as well, and the gun itself is modular, much like the full size. So they already have other frames available that you can, you know, get flat dark earth or gray or whatever they have. You can get that if that's your choice. Perfectly happy with black, but the MSRP is $575, average price right around $500, and I wouldn't chase after it. I think if it models after the full size, you'll get it for much less. The price drops over time when they become more available. But here's what you get in the case: 2 grip modules, all right, to fit your hand size, a speed loader, a lock, and then 2 13-round magazines along with the paperwork. Nice little gun. Sort of a cross between a compact and a subcompact, in my opinion. Let's go ahead and get it on the scale, then we'll compare it with some other popular handguns. We'll take a look at the dimensions. Here we have an unloaded 13-round mag, 1 pound, 10.5 ounces. All right, and we'll go, and you don't check that out. Pretty nice deployment with the magazines. Here we have 13 rounds loaded up. Target loads. 1 pound, 15 7/8 ounces. We move it just 2 ounces, 31 7/8. So just shy of 32 ounces for those who want to carry the APX Compact. We'll go ahead and put that other mag in there and take a look at a quick size comparison with the Glock 19. Now the Glock 19 has a 4-inch barrel. Here we have a 3.7-inch barrel, and it's reflected right there. As we do that, look at the slide length, and then we look at the grip length. There's that additional 2 rounds on the Glock on the right. And over here is an FNS 9C. This will measure up pretty well. You can see that it's a little bit closer. The barrel length is just a hair shorter with the FNS, and then the grip looks the same, but this one has the extended mag. They also make a flush fit mag. 12 rounds, 13 rounds. So not bad at all. Happy to have it. Looking forward to some good times with the APX Compact. When the full-size gun came out, many people said that's so hard to disassemble. I couldn't disagree more. This button on the right side, you just push that in. You have to give it a nice push, especially now since it's a new gun. and you move this lever down and off comes the slide. It just comes off. And then here we have a dual recoil spring and guide rod and a 3.7-inch barrel right there. And then here's your polymer frame. Easy disassemble, easy reassemble. You know, you just push that through the opposite side and push that lever down, and there you go. You're good. And then upon reassembly, just like that, we'll put that lever back into place. So there it is, guys. Beretta APX Compact. Nice little gun. Range review forthcoming. Can't wait. And I look forward to some good times at the range with this gun. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.